Welcome friends, myself Vaishali Ashok Lone. Today we are discuss about topic gastrointestinal hormone. Gastrointestinal hormone. The gastrointestinal hormone or gut hormone constituent the group of hormones secreted by the endocrine cell in the stomach, pancreas and small intestine that cannot be various function of the digestive organ. Later the studies show that most of gut peptides such the secretion cholecystinin and substance P were found in the neurotransmitter and the neuromodulator in the center of the peripheral nervous system. The enterocrine cells do not form the gland are spread throughout the digestive tract. They exert the autocrine and the pancreatic action that the integrate gastrointestinal function. The various hormone in the digestive tract. Some the important hormone are gastrin, the chloride cytokinin, CCK secretion, the sometime the somastication of the motilin. The glycerin and the peptide hormone produces by the G cell. This the flax shape cell from the atrium and stomach. In the found of the duodenum and the jejunum, gastrin causes the insertion of the Clep plus and the H plus ATP phase pump into the optical membrane of the peripheral cell. Next topic is the gastric family. The gastric family, also known as the gastrin, the cholecystokinin family of the protein, is defined by the peptide hormone of the gastrin and the cholecystokinin. Gastrin and the cholecystokinin CCK are the structurally and functionally related peptide hormone that serve the regulator and the various digestive processes and feeding behavior. Additional structurally related membrane of the family include the amphibian, the cerulean skin peptide, the cockroach sulfakinin, first and second LSK peptide, Drosophila melanogaster, putative CCK, homologous drosulfakinase, first and second ceokinin, chicken gastrin, cholinecytokinin like the peptide and the ceonin neuropeptide from the photochordata. The gastric and the CCK important hormone regulator that known as the gastric secretion. It stimulates the pancreatic secretion, increases blood circulation and water secretion in the stomach and the intestinal and stimulate the smooth muscle concentration original found in the gut. These hormones have shown the present in the various nervous system. The biological activity of the gastric and CCK is associated with the last 5 C-terminal residue, 1 or 2 positional downstream. This is the conserve the sulfate thiosin residue. This family gives the protein in the in body is named as the CCK and GAST. The gastrointestinal tract. The gastrointestinal tract, GI tract, GAT, digestive tract, digestion tract, alimentary canal. In the tract from the mouth to anus, which includes all the organ of the digestive system in the human and the animal, food taken through the mouth and digested to exact nutrient and absorb energy and waste expelled from as feces. The mouth, esophagus, stomach and intestine are all part of the gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal is the adjective meaning of the pertaining to the stomach and intestine. A tract is collection of the related anatomic structure or series connected body organ. The human intestinal tract consists the esophagus, stomach and intestine and divided into upper and lower gastrointestinal tract. The GI tract include all structure between the mouth and anus forming the continuous passageway that include main organ and digestive, namely to the stomach, small intestine and large intestine. However, complete human digestive system is made of the gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organ of the digestion. The tract may also be divided into the foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Reflecting the embryologically origin each segment whole human GI tract is about 9 meter long. Atospermy it is the considerably shorter than the living body because the intestine, which are the tube of the smooth muscle tissue, maintain the constant muscle tone. Halfway this state can relax top to allow for the digestion and the peristation. All vertebrate and most invertebrate have the digestive tract, the spongy and the clinoidea and the ceratophagus are the early vertebrates with the incomplete digestive tract having just one opening instead to where the food taken in the waste expel. The gastrointestinal hormone over the human body are from this type of the hormone. This type of hormone study the one by one in the seminar. Gastrin, enterogastin, secretin, cholecytokinin, pancreozymin, duocrinin, enterokinin, vasoactive intestinal peptide, villikinin, stomatostatin, pancreatic polypeptide. Gastrin. This hormone is secreted by the gastric cell, G cell in the pyloric region in the stomach. It stimulates the gastric gland in the secreted or releases the gastric juice. It is also stimulates the gastric mobility. Second hormone is the enterogastin. It is secreted by the duodenum epithelium. It inhibits genetic secretion and the motility. It shows the gastric concentration. It is also the gastric inhibitory peptide. The third hormone is secretin. It was the first hormone to the discovered by the scientists in the secretion by the epithelium, by the duodenum, by releases bicarbonate. Pancreatic juice increases bile decreases gastric secretion and motility. Third is the CCK, the cholecytokinin pancreozymin. The word the cholecytokinin is the derived from the three roots. Chol meaning bile, cris meaning bladder, and kinin meaning the remove. The word pancreozymin is derived from the pancreas and the zynin, which means enzyme producer. This hormone is secreted by the epithelium and entire small intestine. It stimulates the gallbladder to the releases bile and the pancreatic to secrete the releases digestive enzyme in the pancreatic juice. Duocrinin. It is secreted by the duodenal epithelium and it stimulates the bladder gland to the releases mucus and enzyme into the intestinal juice. Next hormone is the enterocrinin. It secretes by the epithelium of the entire small intestine. It stimulates the crypt cerebroq to release the enzyme into the intestinal juice. The next hormone is the VIP, vasoactive intestinal peptide. It secretes the epithelium of the entire small intestine. It's the diluted peripheral blood vessel of the gut. Also inhibits the gastric acid secretion. The next hormone is the villikinin. It is secreted by the epithelium of the entire small. It is the accelerated to movement of the villi. The second hormone is the somatostatin. It secretes the secrete delta cell. It says the Longhorn of the pancreas inhibits the secretion of the glycogen alpha cell and insulin by the beta cell. The somatostatin produced by the agrandin cell of the gastrointestinal gland suppress the releases of the hormone from the digestive tract. The last hormone is the pancreatic polypeptide PP hormone. It secretes by the pancreatic polypeptide cell itself, inhibits the release the pancreatic juice from the pancreas. Next topic is the distribution and the synthesis. The GI hormone were first identified without the gut endocrine cell, which are the scattered throughout the mucosal epithelium, leaving the gastric gland, intestinal crypt, and villi. Typically, these cells are the pyramidal and lie on the mean of the trough of microvilli and some connection to another via cryptoplasmic processes. The addition of the neuronal cell of the gut, which from the submucosal mesenteric villi also produces in the wide variety of the gut peptide. The peptide secreting cells share many the feature and very probably derived from the common precursors. Cell that differentiated produce endocrine cell line. The hypothesis which accounts the distribution of the gut peptide outside the gut itself, the neural tissue and the central nervous system. The expectation, secretion, gastric inhibitory polypeptide and peptide are indeed also present in the brain tissue. May of the gut peptide that acts as the pancreatic transmitter rather than the endocrine hormone, the enables secretory all the motor function regulatory interaction between endocrine nervous system. The addition of the neuropeptide involve many centrally mediated functions such as the perception of the appetite of the regulation of the food intake. The GI hormone are low molecular weight single chain polypeptide of the chain length. The generally, however, than 15 amino acid must the synthesized by the prohormone mechanism in the manner similar insulin. However, unlike the insulin of the GI hormone gene, after the initial translation produced by the gene or from the series of the modification. Thank you.